Hi, this is Gateford Motor Company. Here we have our all new Peugeot Rifter. This is taken over from the partner. It's a crew van. It's one owner from new, full history. Really high specs. So it's got alloy wheels, electric windows, electric mirrors. It's done 47,000 miles. It's got full service, up-to-date history. It's got sat nav. It's got climate control. It's automatic, which is fantastic because you don't get any automatics. It's got its book pack. It's got floppy paddle gearbox, cruise control, hands-free phone kit, armrest on the two front seats, which you've got rakes on. It's a window van, so people in the back find it very comfortable. These seats will take out and they'll independently fold down. It's got a really nice ceiling. There's a little place to put your stuff in there. It's nice to fix. Really nice condition throughout. Parking sensors, one rear door, which means you can have a sandwich underneath. Some mats in there, don't need to see those. There we go. It is absolutely gorgeous. Comes with 2 keys, new 12-month MOT, 12-month RAC warranty, covering platinum cover, so it's the best cover they do. Oh, little things for your lunch, how about that? That's good, isn't it? So, new MOT on it. Finance can be arranged within 2 hours. Part exchange welcome. And UK delivery. Front fog lights, roof rails, everything. Really high spec. Gateford Motor Company, thank you for